In this video, I'll be unboxing the Panorama Dome model LP-IN2455. This is a 2x2 MiMO antenna. To start, we have our two integrated flame-retardant RG174 cables. Note that these are for cellular 4G and 5G frequencies only, like we see labeled on the cable here. Other versions of this antenna are available with Wi-Fi and GPS connections as well. We can also see the cables are labeled Cell A and Cell B. This makes it easier to tell between the multiple ports most LTE and 5G devices have. Normally, you'll have Cell A, B, C, and D, or primary and diversity ports. I'll also maneuver the cables here so you can take a closer look at the SMA connectors on the ends. These are both male, for connecting to SMA female antenna ports. Setting the cables aside now, let's take a look at the dome itself. This, of course, is the black model, but is also available in white. It meets IK10 for vandal resistance and IP69K for ingress protection. It's a pretty interesting shape and much larger than you may think from just seeing it in pictures. The diameter is about 7 inches and height is about 3 inches. There's this rubber all around the edge to keep a nice seal. We've got some foam squares here too, which is generally just for cushioning. Then we've got this double-coated tape on the bottom for mounting purposes. Note that no ground plane is needed when mounting this antenna. It's typically made for vehicles, but with the right mount, it can also be used at fixed locations. That's all there really is to the antenna. One last thing they include in here is an installation guide along with cleaning wipes for preparing the mounting surface if needed. To find more information on this antenna and the fixed mount we mentioned, check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.